Check it out. All right, so this afternoon I'm over here in Guilford County, North Carolina, and I'm going to be taking you through this absolutely lovely Heartland 3 XL Cape. Okay, so all that Cape word means is this is a Heartland 3 with the unfinished second level on top. Any plan can be converted into a Cape. So more about this plan. It is 32 feet deep, 66 feet across. It will always consist of an optional front porch. So what you're looking at here is a double gable style with the vaulted ceiling there with the crowfoot accent, treated lumber decking and steps, vinyl wrap pickets and posts. It is not sitting on a full foundation, meaning I can roll a ball under that front porch. Got the matching crowfoot accent up there in the top gable, got the optional decorative window there. And then I did want to point out the dormers. So not only do you have, dormers on each end there, they are the shed style dormers, and you've got a double and a triple. I don't show you many of those triple dormers there, much less in the shed style. So double and triple shed style dormer, a beautiful 6 by 25 gable style front porch with the vaulted ceiling and all that stuff I already went over. Another thing I want to talk to you about is the foundation. You are seeing an example of the brick wrapped foundation. So you've seen the included split face block in other videos, and then you always have the option to wrap it in brick or stone. And we have a special guest today, Mr. Sweet Boy here. Say hey. All right, so let's hop in and check this bad boy out. All right, so when you open that front door, you're just greeted by this nice big open concept. You got your living room on this half, kitchen and dining on the back half. I would note you are seeing the 8-foot ceilings today. You're seeing the vault floor coloring, or floor color. This customer did include the optional 2-inch window blinds. Just little things like that. And then as you can see, you've got the staircase running up to that unfinished second level. So the Heartland 3XL is 2,089 square feet on the bottom. And then you've got well over 1,000, close to 1,200 square feet up top. So this is a pretty big house, especially when you consider that unfinished second level being converted one day to, livable square footage. All right, moving on to the dining on the right, kitchen on the left. One thing I would note is this is the alternate kitchen layout with the Heartland series. So if you Googled the original or on our website and you looked at the original Heartland 3XL layout, this is not the same kitchen layout. If you go through the different floor plan variations, you'll find the alternate kitchen layout, and this is what you're looking at, okay? One thing I did want to talk about, and I feel like I'm saying it in all these videos now, you do have to go to the alternate kitchen if you want the hidden bootlegger pantry. So here you've got your hidden door, hidden pantry, huge walk-in pantry accessed by those doors leading you here. So you're going to have this big pantry regardless, but if you want to have the option to have the hidden aspect, you need to go to the alternate kitchen. But either way, with the original layout or the alternate layout, you're going to have a huge pantry. It's just a matter of how you access it. And you can do the alternate kitchen without the bootlegger door. I have videos of that as well. So just remember that. You're seeing the Luna Pearl granite countertops in today's kitchen. This customer did the solid surface cultured marble in the bathrooms. You're seeing the 12-inch Renzo backsplash today. As you can see, they stopped it at the range hood. They did not run it to the ceiling. You're looking at your white cabinets with the natural island. Both are a part of that included cabinet color options that you have at no extra cost. Over here, you've got your 50/50 big farmhouse style sink there. Really nice stuff. It's got a dedicated can light over the sink. As you can see, this customer is going to provide their own fridge. But yeah, just an awesome kitchen, and I did want to point out the wood shelving. So anytime in your closets or pantry, you would have wire shelving, and you can always option in the wood shelving through us or do your own thing later. Now, one thing I wanted to talk to you about, typically your water heater is accessed right here. Behind this wall is your master closet. So this customer did not go to a tankless hot water heater, but relocated that water heater so they would not lose any closet space. So I'll show you that when we get to that area of the house as well. Not a whole lot going on in the dining room here. I did want to point out this is kind of your included brush nickel trim package: knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucet, light fixtures, to include the chandelier, all that stuff. This is a very good example of what's included. I wanted to talk to you about the door. So again, I feel like a broken record, but with the Heartland 3XL, you would have a double window there. Standard, if you want to option in a door, it is going to be a little bit extra. But when you do that, you can do a slider, atrium, the triple atrium that we're doing, whatever you would like. All right, so I'm gonna go down to the spare bedrooms and utility room. I was just gonna spin back around one more time to show you this main space. Look at the size of this island. So part of the alternate kitchen is getting this larger island, which provides storage on both sides. Really, really nice feature there. And then let's keep it moving. All right, so I'm going down the hallway, and now this is the original Heartland 3XL. There are multiple variations of this floor plan, and what I mean by that is you're gonna have a secondary den along with 3 bedrooms, and then obviously that primary living room. You have seen a ton of videos converting this den into a true 4th bedroom. So again, it just depends on the person, lifestyle, that kind of stuff, okay? But before you get to that den, on my left is going to be that utility mudroom. That is included at no extra cost. That would be an option there. As you can see, they did roll with laminate for the countertop here just to save some money. Back to that natural cabinet color. Got the nice mud sink there. And then typically you have, some people slide the sink down here. Some people leave this open for a freezer. Some people do the pet shower, hall tree, you name it. But this is where they relocated the water heater to, okay? So that panel there, if you take that down, the water heater's right there, which allowed them to keep more space in that closet that we talked about. All right. And now, if I would have turned right, you've got your bath 2, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3. Let's knock out bath 2, and then I'll go through these bedrooms pretty quick. Something really big in this bathroom is the double sink. So this layout and pretty much all plans, the bath 2 is just going to be 1 sink. But as you can see, if that's important to you, we can figure out a way to make it fit. Notice the cultured marble countertops there, just a good old tub shower, fiberglass insert. Bedroom 2. So again, this is the Heartland 3XL at 32 feet deep, 66 feet across. You're seeing the Cape version, so it's got that unfinished second level. This is the largest of the Heartland layouts at 66 feet across. The Heartland series comes in all shapes and sizes though. It can get really small, really big. You can add the upstairs to any of them. You even have the option to do the T-Ranch. So basically you can add a module or pod onto the front of this plan or another Heartland plan and add another bedroom, an office, a foyer, stuff like that. So definitely check out the Heartland T-Ranch on our site. And we're going to keep it moving. Now, another thing I noticed over here, when doing this staircase, you're able to put the air return, under that stairwell. I guess you could have done a closet, a storage closet there, but typically that air return is here, which again is just eating up space in that master closet. So this customer moved the air return under the stairs, again, to just maximize all the potential in that master closet, okay? Flooring in the main spaces and wet areas, carpets in the bedrooms. That's a great rule of thumb when you're talking about our plans. You've seen a ton of videos of flooring throughout. In that scenario, you are paying extra for the bedrooms. Included 2-panel doors. The 5-panel, 5 rectangles going up and down are going to be a little extra. Here is that closet. Again, that nice stable wood shelving systems there. Really nice stuff. Now on to the master bath. This is the standard or included master bath layout, and I'll explain more once I get in here. But you got your double sink, our included white frame mirrors. We also have those in black. We've got lighted mirrors, standard light package in today's video. So the standard layout is going to be a fiberglass shower and a huge linen closet with a window on this side wall. You can do the 4x6 or the 4x6 with a private toilet room. You can do the 4x8 to use up all that space. So you have a ton of different stuff or options you can do there. Wood shelving again. This 60-inch shower does come with the option for a door. As you can see here today, no door. Okay, and then the freestanding toilet. So let's run upstairs real quick and we will be done. So again, you can add the upstairs to any plan. It's not terribly expensive to do so. 99% of the time when you're talking about an upstairs, it will be unfinished, just like you're seeing here. My gimbal stick just died, so bear with me on the shaky hands here. But this is your unfinished cape. All right, so again, you can add this to any plan. It's not terribly expensive. Today's video features the 12-12 roof pitch, so that's what's providing so much headspace up here. And you know, those huge dormers you saw on the front, not only are they beautiful from the exterior, but they're letting in all this natural light and adding all that usable square footage. So, I mean, just look how much light and space that triple dormer is adding there. Notice the tech shield. So that's a radiant bearing heat sheathing. It's going to basically act like the thing you put on your car dashboard in the summertime, keeping the heat out. So it's just going to keep this attic nice and cool. If you're planning on finishing the upstairs, it's definitely a good thing to think about. There's your double dormer on this end. All right, guys, so that's it for today. I'm going to drop down my email right here, shields@nccustomodulars.com. Again, that's shields@nccustomodulars.com. If you are interested or you know somebody that's interested, please reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you and design your floor plan and ultimately build your house, your dream home. So we're located at 2450 North Church Street in Burlington, North Carolina. Our office number is 336-226-9066. If you come by the store or you call because of this video, please ask to speak with me, Shields, the guy from YouTube. It helps me out a ton, and I appreciate all the subscriptions, all the likes, all the comments, and I'm going to keep on filming. You keep on watching. I really enjoy this, and I hope you're enjoying watching them. So take care, guys. Bye-bye.